Looking for a simple and effective way to help your students become confident writers? Let's talk about the Please strategy, a powerful tool from the SRSD model that supports structured self-regulated writing. P is for pick a topic. Helps students choose something meaningful or relevant. L means list ideas. Brainstorm freely. No idea is too small. E is for evaluate the list. Which ideas best support the topic? A means activate the paragraph. That means writing a strong topic sentence. S is for supply supporting sentences. Add details, examples, and explanations. E means end with a conclusion that wraps it all up. Please isn't just a checklist, it's part of the SRSD approach, which builds self-regulation through goal setting, self-talk, and reflection. With Please, students don't just write, they grow as thinkers and communicators. Ready to give it a try?